Hey friends, I have a special guest today. My mother-in-law is visiting us. She is originally from Germany and she is going to cook a traditional German feast with me, and I'm so excited to show you what we made together. Not only that, but I'm also going to be styling some new decor finds that are from Germany. So Germany is the theme today. I hope you guys will stick around. I'm so excited.
But potatoes really can take salt. Such a big opening. It is not exact science.
Right.
This is how I learned from my mother. Spätzle machine. Mike, try it. Unbelievable. I am so glad I could help.
Alright guys, I am cooking today with my mother-in-law, and you guys know Mike is from Germany. I've talked about that lots of times, so obviously, you know, his mom is German, and she is with us today. She's been spending the week with us. She's been here for about a week. She leaves tomorrow, and so we thought it would be really fun before she leaves to cook a traditional German meal together. And of course, Mike loves his mom's cooking. I have learned so much from Regina from watching her over the years. She's taught me so many things. So we've just had so much fun. And why don't you pronounce what we're about to, because I'll mess it up.
We are making Wiener Schnitzel, Spätzle und Kartoffelsalat.
Okay, so that's traditional German potato salad. And then this Spätzle?
Yeah.
Okay, those are her homemade egg noodles, which she doesn't have a recipe for. It's all up here in her head, but I'm trying to kind of figure out what she does so I can keep making this for Mike. And then the other thing, Wiener Schnitzel,
Yeah.
is breaded pork. So we are going to put it all together now, and I'm so excited to try it. We're actually going to try a gluten-free version as well. Not sure if it's gonna turn out, but we thought, hey, why not? Let's try it and see how it turns out. All right, guys, so the first thing that I'm doing here is just rinsing the potatoes for the German potato salad that we're gonna make. We are going to boil these potatoes whole. And while I get those ready, Regina is cutting up the onion. We're going to use half of an onion for the potato salad, and then the other half is going to be used as a base for our gravy that we will pour over the Spätzle noodles. So while I get those potatoes boiling, one thing that Regina taught me on this day was that she likes to save a lot of the fat from her meat to use as a base for her gravy. She will remove them right at the very end, but rather than just throwing those out, she likes to saute that fat and render it out, and it just adds a delicious level of flavor to your gravy. So I loved that tip. She also added some tomato paste to the gravy for depth of color, and it also helped to thicken it as well. So lots of awesome tips today from her.
Render the fat, right?
Okay.
I am, since our gravy needs some flavor, and we're not going to eat this, but it just brings out the flavor.
Sure.
I will just leave it just a little bit. Towards the end of this, if we want to put a little gluten-free flour in it to thicken our gravy. Since we're not making tomato sauce, I'm going to add half of this, okay?
Okay.
Because it's not supposed to be tomato paste, sauce, okay? Then we start stirring this around. It is not exact science.
Right.
So I'm gonna sprinkle it over.
Great. Go ahead. Yeah, look at that color. Beautiful.
But this will get thicker when it boils.
Yep. You want me to turn up the heat?
And then we can just put it on the back burner.
Okay.
Have a lid.
I do.
for this. Then we'll just let it simmer.
Sure. Try not to. There. All right, guys, I am so excited to tell you about this week's video sponsor, HomeAglow. HomeAglow is a top-rated home service platform dedicated to making your space clean and tidy. Their online booking capabilities allow you to instantly schedule a cleaner in your area for a special occasion, party, or regularly to help take something off your plate. All cleaners on HomeAglow pass a rigorous certification process and maintain a 4.8-star average platform rating. So I have to tell you guys, you have probably watched enough of my videos to know that I do my own cleaning. I have never in my life hired anyone to come clean my home. And my sister actually said, you know, Andrea, this is the week of your birthday. Why don't you give yourself this birthday gift and have someone come and help clean your house? Well, it just so happened that we had company coming to stay with us, and not only that, they were coming the week after Vacation Bible School, which is a lot of planning and work on Mike and I's part because we run it. Anyways, I agreed to it, and I have to say it was so nice. So it's definitely a wonderful option, especially if you're in just a crazy season of life, you have a lot going on. This is just one thing that you would be able to kind of take off your plate and not have to worry about. So booking with HomeAglow is so simple. You simply go to HomeAglow's website and choose the day or the time you're looking for, the duration of your cleaning, and then you'll see all the available cleaners. You schedule as quickly as this week or get something on the calendar for the next month and check it off your to-do list. You can also browse photos and reviews of the cleaners in your area so that you can choose the right cleaner for you. You can also sign up for their Forever Clean membership, which saves you $30 an hour on all future cleanings. It was so simple to select a trusted cleaner based on their reviews and experience, and it totally made me feel safe using HomeAglow. You can take home cleaning off of your plate by using HomeAglow. Head to homeaglow.com/Pine and Prospect or scan the QR code that I'm going to have here for you on the screen to get your first 3 hours of cleaning for just $19. Again, that's 3 hours of cleaning for just $19 when you head to homeaglow.com/Pine and Prospect. Guys, I'm so glad I gave HomeAglow a try. I feel like it's definitely an option now. In the future, if I have a ton going on and I need a little bit of extra help, and this would be such a great gift to give to someone who is just in a busy season of life. Maybe you know of someone who is caring for a relative or a spouse right now and they just have a lot on their plate. Give them the gift of HomeAglow and take cleaning off of their plate, or use it for yourself if you're recovering from something or you just need a little bit of extra time. Give it a try. I'm so glad that I did. It took a lot off of my plate that week, and it was a nice little birthday gift, I must say. So again, head to homeaglow.com/Pine and Prospect for 3 hours of cleaning for just $19. What a deal. All right, so at this point, I am just getting some gluten-free bread in my food processor so that we can use the breadcrumbs for the 2 pieces of pork that are going to be gluten-free. Now I'm draining the potatoes so that we can prepare them for the potato salad. In America, we have cold potato salad, but in Germany, they like to serve it warm. And so you let the potatoes sit for just a little while. I'm just getting the water ready for our spätzle noodles. You let them sit for a little while and then you peel them. You can see they're still warm. You simply peel them and then slice them while they are warm. And then all of the ingredients that you add will be absorbed into the potatoes. So I'm just peeling them here for Regina while she cuts them. Okay.
There you go. We can add, but we can take it back out.
Right.
That's my thing. Oh, that goes by itself, right?
Yep.
We can add
some pepper.
Yep. But potatoes really can take salt.
Okay.
Okay, I do another one.
Yeah.
And it's a lot of potatoes.
Right.
Instead of water.
A little bit of beef.
Yeah. Kind of gentle in the beginning. Since the potatoes are hot, they're really gonna fall apart.
Right. So before we got started on the noodles, we just put a bag of baby carrots into the gravy to simmer and let those cook. And then we are going to start on the gluten-free batter first.
It's just for you, right?
Yep, just for me. So after you add your eggs to the flour as well as the salt, and you find that maybe it's just slightly too thick, Regina said she likes to fill half an eggshell with a little bit of water, and that'll thin out the batter. Now that's the gluten-free. Now we are going to move on to the regular.
I wouldn't know a measurement
Yeah.
if I saw one. I would say probably 3.5 in here right now. And do we want to have a little bit left over for tomorrow?
Sure.
Okay. So,
That's okay.
Such a big opening, and I'm looking at you. I clean it up right away.
No, you're fine.
The same thing, obviously.
Right.
Same concept, different flour, and a little bit more salt, since this is, of course, more than what we used. Now, process, and for this amount, wow. To get that out of your butt, I'm gonna use these for sure. You can shut that off because I already know it will need one more egg.
Okay. So while we let the batter rest, we are going to go ahead and move on to the pork. And with the pork, Regina is simply cutting the pork loin pretty thin, about a 1/2 inch thick, and then she is pounding it out so that it is a little bit thinner for the schnitzel. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the pork for her while she pounds all of the pieces that I'm cutting, and we will move on to the breading process. So I have a plate of regular breadcrumbs, a plate of gluten-free breadcrumbs, and then of course the eggs. And Regina said to be sure you season your breadcrumbs and your eggs as well as your meat with salt, pepper, and paprika. And that really adds a lot of flavor. Okay, so gluten-free. So she's dipped it in the egg. And then these are our gluten-free breadcrumbs. Oh, we gotta turn this on.
Yep, turn them. And add some oil. This will be your gluten-free.
Okay.
We make those first. Did you notice I skipped the step with the flour?
Yes.
This is how I learned from my mother. When you put it in, you'll find out right away. Yep. Now,
good?
Yes.
Oh, it looks good to me.
Right. That's important. Because you're the one eating it.
I'm so excited about this. Look at that.
They're not burned or anything. And yours, the breading itself is a little darker to begin with.
Yeah, so we can kind
Now
of
we
tell.
add a little bit of oil in here.
Sure.
Putting the worm on. You're putting the worm on. Because we got it swam by, and then a bunch of other giant black bass were following it, and
All right, and what is this machine called?
Spätzle machine. SPA.
Yes.
Spätzle machine.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, we're testing out a gluten-free batter. Not sure if it's gonna work.
You're tall.
Yes.
So go further down.
Okay.
Towards your water.
Okay.
Okay. See towards your water.
Nice.
Not up in the air.
Okay.
There's my fork. Little bit.
And you just hold it there?
Yeah. Oh, this came
wow.
out good. Look.
Wow.
A little longer.
The first batch always makes.
Yes.
Okay.
Before
So-
it boils again.
Okay, so how long do you let them sit in the water?
As soon as it boils.
Oh,
Always do this.
okay.
Okay. Just scoop them
Wow,
down.
they're
a little.
holding up good.
They are.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Hey, my Indras look really good. I hope they taste good. And those.
They look good.
The spätzle And see, now you can make some for your mom. They are also good just with some butter on it. Melted butter. Here, you have this. Are they bad in here?
Oh my goodness, no.
See, you want to keep
They're
your
so
machine.
good.
You want to keep your machine to the water, not up. The higher up, the skinnier your noodles get.
Okay. Not bad for gluten-free.
I should have added
A little more salt?
but you can put some salt
I
on your
can
plate.
add some, yeah.
A little bit more salt.
But the consistency and the
But
flavor.
it's just like spätzle.
Uh-huh.
Mike, try it. Unbelievable.
Oh man,
But we made this by hand.
nice job.
I am so glad I could help.
The dough just needed a little more salt, but it's still
Yeah,
good.
but you can add on your plate. Obviously.
Yeah.
See, all done.
Oh my goodness.
Then we start with the regular one.
Yeah.
Just not quite in it. And I do have a few. Look, Andrea. See? Like this.
Oh, yeah.
See? Then the people can actually see.
Right.
And it doesn't look, it looks the same. The
Right,
color
right,
is
right.
the same, everything
Yes.
is the same.
Just one of
So,
them you want?
yeah.
Okay.
One. Because,
I'm going to hold this and let you ladle it over.
yep. Okay. Like,
No?
see? I'm gonna add
Ooh.
some over here, some over here.
Oh my goodness, you guys, this was so delicious. I wish you could all try Regina's amazing cooking. We enjoyed it so much. It was a taste of home for Mike, and I'm so excited to continue to make this meal for him. Now, I wanted to share with you this beautiful table. It's actually from Germany, and Mike bought it for me for my birthday. We love this particular antique dealer. All of her antiques are from Germany, and I wanted to go ahead and take this piece outside and scrub it because it is pine and just clean it up a little bit. I've showed you guys this technique before. I've used it on a lot of other furniture that is pine. It really only works on surfaces that are not sealed, but really what it does is just tone down the yellow and the orange. And washing it with just some soap and water really helps to bring out that beautiful raw wood finish, since pine tends to sort of yellow over time. And you can see just by bending over, I already have some orangey yellow spots on my shirt because I touched the piece of furniture after scrubbing it. But I just take an old white t-shirt and wipe it down after scrubbing each piece. You really need to use like a hard bristle brush for this so that you can loosen up that top layer. And now I'm thinking, I don't know for sure if I'm gonna leave the little table in the entryway. I've really been enjoying this little pine cupboard here between the chairs. I shared that with you in a few videos ago. But this table here, I'm not 100% on. I don't know if it's too crowded here in the entry, or maybe I'm just not used to seeing a table here for all these years. So I'm playing with it. I'm doing what I tell you guys to do all the time, just living with it for a little while before I decide. I could also use it up in my bedroom. But for now, it's been fun to kind of play with this area and have a little entry table here in our front entryway. So not that it's necessary. We have the shelves there to sort of set our keys down on and things like that. The basket, of course, holds our wallet and our mail. But I'm trying it here for now, and we'll see. It might not be here in my next video, but I was completely surprised when I came down on my birthday and saw this beautiful piece sitting in my living room, and so I will find a home for it, that I know for sure. You guys, thank you so much for watching today. I so enjoyed having you. I hope you enjoyed meeting my wonderful mother-in-law. I'm so blessed to have her in my life, and we're so grateful she got to visit. If you are new here, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.